welcome to a special edition of Learning with Lindsey. We've been working really hard on our winter weather special, which airs Tuesday, December 3rd at 6:30 p.m. And I'm here to give you a sneak peek. We know ice and snow can be such a headache during the winter months, but luckily there's a lot of homemade items that we have, household objects and chemicals that we have that we can use to melt the ice right at home. Now we know that ice forms at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. At that temperature, crystals start to form. We get this crystalline structure within the water. But when we add a chemical, say sodium chloride, which is salt, or calcium chloride, which road crews use a lot, that disrupts the crystalline formation, that structure within the water, and keeps it as a liquid at a lower temperature, which is key and things that we want to happen during those winter months. Now let's go to the pantry and find some of those household items that we have that can help melt the ice and snow right outside your front door. One ingredient includes vinegar. Another, plain old water. What you want to do is mix the two together, 1 cup each. Now if you notice there's a little more ice out there on your windshield, then you can use a little more vinegar in that mixture. Stir it together, mix it really well, and place it in a spray bottle. At that point, you can spray the mixture on your windshield, and that will really help to melt the ice. Another solution involves water, but this time use warm water and about a half a gallon. To that, mix 4 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol and about a teaspoon of Dawn dish soap. That's about 6 drops or so of the dish soap. Mix it together really well, and if you have a large surface area of ice, say on your driveway or sidewalk, use a watering can, and you can spread it all over that icy surface. At that point, you will watch the ice start to melt before your eyes. Last but not least, you can use kosher salt, spread it all over that icy surface, driveway, sidewalks, even your windshield, and you'll watch it start to melt before your eyes as well. Now be sure to tune in to our winter weather special. That's Tuesday, December 3rd at 6:30. We'll see you then.